Every little bit we get further up this valley, the more epic it gets and the more hostile it gets. The sun's up, so it's a little bit warmer. That cold wind is treacherous. This place is absolutely incredible, and it just gets more and more beautiful the further we make our way up this valley. I'm ripe with stoke. I'm so excited to be here. This is amazing. What a spectacular place. And it's so untouched. Very few people have ever been up here. Probably just a handful, if anything. Took a nice little lunch on the side of the middle section of the